My respected citizens of Kadapa, at this holy moment of Iftar in Ramadan, I want to deliver an open message to our Honorable Chief Minister among you, the people of Kadapa city. Our beloved Chief Minister of our state, Naidu ji, please consider our open message. You came to power on the promise of secular governance and the protection of minority rights. However, your alliance with the BJP and support for the irrational and unconstitutional Waqf Amendment Bill constitute a blatant betrayal of those very promises. Your Iftar invitation aims to promote trust and harmony, but trust is not built through mere formalities. It requires concrete policy actions. Your government's disregard for the legitimate demands of Muslims renders such symbolic gestures meaningless. We demand the immediate withdrawal of your support for the Waqf Amendment Bill 2024. If enacted, dismantle centuries-old Waqf properties, including educational institutions, hospitals, women's centers, and religious sites. It will further marginalize the Muslim community, pushing it deeper into poverty and deprivation, as already documented in the Sachar Committee report. This open message is not a refusal to engage in dialogue, but a firm stand against injustice and oppression. We are open to meaningful negotiations, provided they lead to genuine and effective policy reforms. If this bill become law, you and your party TDP will bear full responsibility. We will continue to resist this unconstitutional move through all legal, democratic and political means available.